How to buy used graphic cards. High-end computer parts can be expensive, especially graphic cards, which alone are essential for gaming. Worse, it can be a challenging process for buying used graphics compared to purchasing a new one. If you decide to buy used graphic cards, you must keep the following safety measures in mind. Number 1. Purchase from trusted sources. Knowing the history of any used electronic device is essential before buying them. Purchasing from trustworthy sources ensures that the graphic card hasn't been used abundantly. Number 2. Check dimensions. The graphic cards are available in various sizes. Some are flatter, while others are hefty in shape. Ensure that the card's dimensions match the PC case's size and internals. Verifying the compatibility with the motherboard's PCIe slots is also an essential part. Number 3. Ensure compatibility. Consider the compatibility with the PC prior to buying a graphic card. The CPU should be able to handle the data influx from graphic cards. Additionally, one should ensure that the power supply is able to provide electricity, taking into account the power requirements of graphic cards.